Hello everyone. So I started this channel for people who wants to crack UGC NET exam and UPHESC exam this year. And today I am going to discuss first model of memory, that is information processing model or multi-store model, proposed by Atkinson and Shiffrin. So this is the common topic in UPHESC and UGC NET also. So let's start with the topic information processing model. Okay, so this is the original two-stage memory model proposed by Atkinson and Shiffrin to define the structure of memory basically. And if you notice, it's lacking the sensory memory stage, right? So this stage was basically devised at a later stage in research. So they modified this model, this original model, on the basis of lots of research work, and they proposed the new one with the sequence of three stages. That popular one we all are reading nowadays, and we'll discuss that one in this short video. Okay, so this is the multi-store model of memory to explain how memory processes work. So Atkinson and Shiffrin proposed this model in 1968 to describe how we store and remember things. And essentially, both Atkinson and Shiffrin used this model to show that human memory could be broken down into three different memory stores. So first is sensory memory, second is short term memory, and third is long term memory. Then the concept of sensory memory was originally left out of their 1968 model. That is why the original model that showed in previous slide is missing the sensory memory wala part, okay? So as per this model, we received information through different senses. So our senses basically experience different things in terms of sight, in terms of hearing, in terms of touch, feeling and taste. But only a fraction of this is remembered, right? So हम दिन भर में कितनी ही चीज़ों से एनकाउंटर होते हैं, but सब कुछ तो हमें याद नहीं रहता. So this model is the explanation of why we remember only few things and not everything. So this multi-store model assumes that there are three separate memory stores: sensory memory, short-term memory and long-term memory, and information is transferred between these store in a लीनियर सीक्वेंस. सो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप एक स्टेज को मिस कर जाएं, स्किप कर जाएं और नेक्स्ट पे पहुंच जाएं. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले सेंसरी मेमोरी में आएगी, देन शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में जाएगी और उसके बाद ही लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में जाएगी. देन they said that each of the memory store differ in the way information is processed or in terms of encoding. So हम sensory memory में कैसे encode करते हैं, working या STM में कैसे encode करते हैं, या हम LTM में कैसे encode करते हैं, all three are the different processes. Then all three memory differs in term of storage also. So all three storage system has distinct storing capacity and also for how long we can store the information. So time duration is also different. Like we can retain information in sensory memory only 20 to 2000 millisecond, and we can store information in STM to 15 to 30 second, and storing capacity of STM is also limited na. And we can retain information lifetime in long term memory. So time duration and storing capacity of LTM both are infinite. Now these are the takeaways of the short video. So always remember that this model basically said that information passes from store to store in a linear way. That is फर्स्ट थिंग टू रिमेंबर. आप किसी भी एक स्टेज को मिस नहीं कर सकते. सो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सेंसरी रिसेप्टर ने इन्फॉर्मेशन रिसीव की और सीधा LTM में ट्रांसफ़र कर दी, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ लीनियर प्रोसेस. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टेप बाय स्टेप ही ट्रांसफ़र होगी. दैट इज़ वन थिंग. Second thing, this is the multi-store model of memory, but this model has been described as an information processing model like a computer. So there is an input, then the information process, and the last one is output. So आपके सेंसरी रिसेप्टर इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव करेंगे, फिर वो प्रोसेस होगी, देन वो STM और LTM में जाएगी और आउटपुट क्या है, अल्टीमेटली इंफॉर्मेशन का रिट्राइवल. And last thing, or the summary of this model is that we received information through our sensory receptors from our environment, or information is detected by the sense organs, and then it enters the sensory memory, which stores a fleeting impression of sensory stimuli. And if we attend, or if we are paying focus, or if you are paying attention to this information, then it will enters the short term memory. And if the information is given meaning, then only through elaborative rehearsal this information is passed on to long term memory. Okay, so all these 3 points are the summary of this short video. Okay, so these are the references of this short video, and I hope the concept of information processing model is clear to everyone now. Yes, I will upload my next video from the syllabus of NET and UPHESC very soon. And if you guys want any specific topic to be covered, please feel free to mention it in the comment section. So जो ज़्यादा डिमांड होगी वो definitely जल्दी अपलोड किया जाएगा. So, good luck for your preparation, guys, and thanks for listening. Take care. Bye bye.